Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that blue whale token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Blue Whale is a Web3 intelligence layer, a decentralized AI network that connects traditional and digital finance via AI agents. It enables developers and enterprises to deploy agents and models that analyze users' behavior across multiple blockchains, turning complex financial profiles into actionable insights, services, and transactions. Founded in 2022, Blue Whale comprises a global cross border team of 25 members based in North America, Europe, and China. Its goal is to make financial intelligence accessible to everyone by connecting users' profiles with AI agents using blockchains as the underlying infrastructure. The network currently supports over 3.6 million users, according to website, and serving as the foundation for data-driven financial smart application and AI agent services. Blue Whale token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.22 billion. Blue AI token. Blue AI token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.